Built a life on borrowed time, laughed through pain and called it fine. You held my heart like porcelain. Now I'm picking up the pieces again. I still check my phone at 2 a.m., half expecting your name again. But all that's left are old goodbyes, written in a stranger's eyes. You took the light when you walked away. Now I'm shadows in the pouring rain. I still see your face in every dream. It's like you left with half of me. No, I'm not whole, I can't pretend. You were my start, my middle, my end. Now I'm just a song with no melody, 'cause you walked off with half of me.